Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro 50 kilogram lift bag. So as you can see, it's a decent sized lift bag. As the name obviously suggests, it's got a lift capacity of about 50 kilograms, which is about 110 pounds. You can use this by itself to lift a single item up to about 50 kilograms, or you can use it in conjunction with several other lift bags to lift something heavier. The material itself, bright white, so easy to see in all different sort of waters, and it stands out when it's on the surface, nice, bright and obvious. The material itself is really double tough tarpaulin material, and sort of big sort of heat seams sort of all around where it's been sort of heat welded. Traditional kind of bell shape, but at the top we have a dump valve, so you can screw that down to obviously seal it, and then unscrew it if you need to dump some gas, and then you have a second one to really sort of open it up and drain it for whatever reason. So big valve right at the top, not too fast to dump it, so if you're trying to control the buoyancy sort of going up, I'd probably avoid using that because you'll just lose it all. So just make sure you're on point with your buoyancy lifting items. Down at the bottom, you have metal D-rings and decent sort of attachment points on that. A single piece of woven nylon sort of goes all the way through. You do get a stainless steel shackle. It's a little bit small for my liking. I'd probably fit a larger one to that. But we have 4 points of contact on this line, and you can either use kind of all 4, or you can sort of separate it out and have a slightly longer one that only connects to, again, it connects to 4 points, but you only have 2 sort of lines. Completely up to you, depending on how you want to lift and how much space you want. Nice big opening as well, so you've got plenty of space to get the air into the bag. It's a very handy device if you're lifting things, or if you need sort of a lot of extra buoyancy. We've got the Scubapro 50 kilogram lift bag. Thanks for watching. Safe island.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.